How to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on an electronic keyboard. It's super fun and very easy to learn. You will need a basic electronic keyboard for small kids. So let's get started.
Whoa! Wow!
First, let's have a look at the notes we will be playing today. So you need to remember only the first three notes because the fourth one is a repetition of the third one and the last two notes are again repetition of the first two notes. These are very simple and easy to remember for the children. Now you can take a pencil or a marker and write down the letters here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, G. Once you write these letters, it will become very simple to learn how to play this electronic keyboard. So friends, as you saw, you have to be little patient with kids of this age, but definitely with some practice and by memorizing these simple notes, you will be able to teach your child to play some poems and simple songs on this electronic keyboard.
Don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe.